presented our 6th semester MST project demonstration. My name is Sntc, leader of our team.
Hi friends, myself M. Brainmano, I am the assistant leader of the team.
Hi, myself U. Muhammad Zafar, I am the mechanical designer of our team.
Hi, I am Shamni, I am file keeper of our team.
Hi, my name is Nikita, IT member of our team.
Our project, vehicle controlled by IoT, consists of two major designs. First one is mechanical design, second one is electronics design. Mechanical design can be explained by our mechanical designer Muhammad Zafar.
Now I am going to explain about our mechanical design. This is our top cover. The top dimension has a 300 mm width and 400 mm length. We have fixed a small box for our battery with the dimensions of 160 mm length and 75 mm breadth with a height of 75 mm height. And we are using two boards for fixing our electronic components. The board dimensions are 250 mm length and 70 mm breadth. We are using 4 grip wheels with the dimensions of 70 mm dia. The 4 wheels used for the withstanding the weight of our project, and the friction, the fixed wheels have frictions used for freely movement in the floor.
Now I will explain electronic design of our project. Our electronic design consists of 5 modules. Module 1 power supply, Module 2 ESP8266, Module 3 web-based application, Module 4 and 5 DC gear motor and motor driver.
Now I am going to explain the module number 1, power supply. This is a step-down transformer. We are using the step-down transformer up to 15 volt and 3 amps. The step-down transformer input is 230 volt AC. After the step-down transformer output is 15 volt we got. After the output will given to the rectifier circuit. Rectifier circuit is used for converting AC signal into DC. After that we are using the capacitor. Capacitor is used for reducing the noise level. After we are using the two types of positive voltage regulator. One is 7805 and another one is 7812. And 7812 we got the constant output of 12 volt, and 7805 we got the constant output of 5 volt. These two 12 volt we got through these two terminals, and 5 volt we got through these two terminals, and we are using the power supply for charging our battery.
Now I am explaining the second module of our project ESP8266. This is ESP8266, main of our project. It works as a server. We use 8 I/O pins. The pins are connected with the motor driver. We give supply voltage through USB cable.
Now I will explain Module 3 HTML page web application. This is our HTML page web application. It will consist of forward, reverse, left, right, stop. We can access the web page means we can find IP address. How to find the IP address? We will demonstrate in practically. We can write the program using Arduino Uno IDE. It is our project. SSID means what are the which are the Wi-Fi we can connect it. The name you got to give it. Now I am connected with my mobile Wi-Fi OnePlus 6. That only we can write there. This is my password. Okay, now verify my coding. Will be verified. Now I am upload my program through USB cable to ESP8266. Now I am getting my IP address via serial monitor. Now I am found the IP address for my device. Now just I am copy and paste it to the browser. Okay. Now my control keys are in HTML page.
Now I am explain about module 4 and 5, motor driver and a DC gear motor. We use two L298D motor drivers. Each motor's drivers capable of drive two DC gear motors. It is a 12 volt supply for driver. Motors connected through these pins. It is a data pins. It is a freewheeling diodes. These diodes prevent the components will while back EMF.
DC gear motors. DC motors attached with gear assembly is called DC gear motor. There are 4 gear motors. Each motor consists of 60 RPM connected with gripped wheels.
Now I am demonstrate our project. If while click forward button means the vehicle start to move forward.